Andy? Go ahead. Y'all better enjoy.
I know it's cold, but I promise you it's not that really big.
So
Fun
cool.
fact, you guys add your own slime to this world.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to give you your piece to add to that one. Hey, you can go stretch it anywhere you want to.
Wow, how cool. Ooh, this is so cool. Ooh, ooh, this is nice. Ready to try? This is nice. Ooh, this is so cool. How cool. Ooh, you like it? Nice. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at this. This is cool. Look at that, so slimy as well. Whoa. Let's go.
I want to go sit in there.
Come, yeah, go stand in there.
Move all the way back here.
Move all the way back. Leah's in there.
And 3,
2,
1, let go.
Come on, your turn, really? Aww. Now she gonna try one last. Let's go.
Move all the way back.
Move back, Leah.
And 3, going back. There you go.
Yeah, you gotta put some.
2, 1, let go.
Woo! That was good. Whoa.
It feels so soft.
Yeah? Whoa. Ooh, this do feel soft. All of them got different textures.
This is caramel apple.
Caramel apple. Ooh, smell it. Does it smell like caramel apple?
Smells good. I want to eat it.
Let's see. What's this one? How does it feel? How does this one feel?
It feels sticky.
It feels kind of thick and sticky, right?
Oh, it smells like soap.
Smells like what?
Oh, it's right there.
Do not scare me. That's funny.
Look, I got some on my wristband.
Oh my lord. Na's over there playing with that one.
So good.
This is so cool. Whoa. Whoa. Stretch it, stretch it. That was cool, the way you stretch it up. Now stretch it. Oh, I got you. I got you for the textures.
This one.
All right, let's try this one.
Good.
Whoa.
This one is.
All different color slimes. This is so cool. This was nice. Woo! Yeah, right? Right?
So cool. Look.
Pretty cool, pretty cool. Look at that. Whoa.
And we can make our own slime.
Yes, we're gonna make our
I
own
saw
slime.
this.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I've seen this place on shorts.
Yeah?
Look, I've seen this thing on shorts and I'll be like,
All right, let's go. Let's keep moving, guys, and then we can come back. There's so much to explore. Let's go. Come on. Oh, this is where they wet you with the slime. Y'all ready to go in there soon? You guys are gonna go in there soon. Let's try this one. Ooh. Monster Mash. Yeah, hey. Yes, Nazi, roll up, bubble.
Pretty sure it don't stick on too close.
Alright.
It might be better to roll and then pull up
Yeah.
so it doesn't slide.
Come down, yeah.
You're
Cute.
welcome.
So thank you, Leah. Alright. Ooh.
This one sticks to
This is nice. I like the color of this one.
this one sticks.
Let me smell it. Mmm. Ah.
It's this one right there.
Monster Mash. That's the name of it. It is the Monster Mash. Do-do-do-do.
Mommy, look.
Whoa! Yeah, yeah. Oh my lord, why are you punching the slime?
Mommy, look.
Whoa, this one is really cool because this one stretches out a lot.
Oh my god, why is there so much getting out the slime? Mommy, look.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that, Nas. Whoa! Whoa! You made a bubble. Whoa! That was a big bubble, man.
I'm ready to get poured out.
Whoa!
Mommy, look.
Whoa! This line has some stuff in
Ew,
it.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
No?
This one you can't stretch it.
Oh, this one is not too stretchy, right? What? Whoa.
It's not good.
You don't like the way this one feels?
No.
This is cloud, this is butter.
Oh my god.
Let's see the butter. Oh, this feels nice. It really feels like butter. Whoa, look at that stretch.
Oh my gosh, can I just
Take it off,
it?
yeah. How does this one feel to you?
Weird.
You said weird. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Oh, I didn't know you could do that with that one, man. That's a good one. Whoa. I like that neon color. Icy. Oh my god. This is the icy one. It feels so cool. Oh my god. Cloud cream. How does cloud cream sound? A slime mirror. It says slime mirrors. It says slime mirrors. What is it? Yeah? Oh. Yes? Move, dance, point, and jump. Whoa. Oh my goodness. It's a whole nother side of slime, guys. Jeez. This is nice. This is the melted zombie.
It's like a zombie.
It's Halloween and they got the melted zombie. Oh. How does the melted zombie feel, Leah? It feels what? What's this? Where's Naz? Naz! They got satisfying sounds of ASMR! Oh my god! What's this sound? Let's try the next one. That was cool. Whoa! Let me hear this one. I hear it. I hear so much different sounds. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what's happening. Try this one.
This one.
Try this one. Move on. Let's see this one. Radioactive taffy jelly cube. Whoa, how cool is this? I like the color. Whoa. Wow, they got so much cool stuff in here.
Ooh, smells good.
Right? Nice. Let me see how it smells. Ooh, it smells orangey and jelly-ish, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look,
Wow.
I'm gonna come back to you. Is that
You like it here?
I like it. Yes,
Alright,
I
next one.
This is like
Candy corn fluff. Whoa, it's so fluffy. Oh, it's fluffy and it's kind of like powdery on my
and
hand.
slimy.
Yeah. Whoa, stretchy much. Stretchy much. Whoa. Oh! This is nice. Did you smell it? Does it smell like candy corn? It's Halloween and I like how they're representing for Halloween.
Ooh, this one.
Graveyard shift.
No.
Huh? Oh my goodness. This is really like a graveyard shift. It's hard. This slime is dead. Let's try this one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, just leave it. It's okay. Roll it up a little bit. Push it up. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, that was cool.
That's a good one.
Right? Say thank you. Ooh. That is cool. This one is stretchy much. Try this one, candy bag.
Don't mess up it. It will be so
I know, right? It's all set up nicely. Let's try this one. Whoa,
It's so
my
satisfying.
God, satisfying, right?
This stinks.
Crunchy. She said it stinks. Crunchy and full of pops. It's made of tiny, soft foam beads. Let me see. That was cool. Hey! Look, in there is the ASMR room. Nice, satisfying sound. Go in each one. Whoa.
This is
Let's try this one. Be careful. Harvest Moon.
This one.
Ooh, I like that. Spiritual stuff here too. Ooh. Ooh, this feels so good. I love this texture. How do you like this one?
I love it.
I love it too. It feels so nice and smooth. And how else does it feel? It just feels so relaxing,
Yeah, I
right?
want to just keep my hand
Right? Like, look at us, look at us. You're funny. You see it? So cool, right? Each group is like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Right? I love the colors. That's the sign of that one. Go to the next one. Let's see the next one. Wait. It feels like when you grab it, yeah, it makes a sound too. When you move, when you grab it, that's so cool. Wow, so cool. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. in here? Whoa! What is this room? Huh? Oh my god! Oh my god, this is so cool! I love this place. Oh, she said satisfying alert. Whoa. We can be in here. But I have it open. It's a snow wall. This is so cool. Hey. It's all over you. It's all over you. It's falling down on you. Come, let me see, Nas. Sit up, go. Whoa. It's on you too. Whoa. Oh, I know, right? I like this right here. Is that a back door? Is that a back door? It says not an exit. Go.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. I like this room. It's so euphoric. Let's go. Woo. That was fun. Yes. This one is so nice. I know, right? Yeah, whoa. This is so cool. I love the texture of this. We'll try this one now. It's graveyard shift. This slime is dead. That's why you can't even do nothing to it. Come on. Nightshade Cloud Dove. Whoa, let's try this one. Haunted House. Whoa. Nice. Do you realize how like the theme is like Halloween? Yeah, that's cool. I like that. Whoa. Haunted House. Woo-hoo. Whoa, that was cool. Whoa. Whoa. Which one is this? Creepy. Cobwebs. Yes, we do. Oh my god, this one is leaving stuff on me too.
You just reminded
How do you guys like this one?
cotton candy.
No, this is creepy cobwebs.
No, look, scent cotton candy.
Oh, the scent. Yes, it's cotton candy and marshmallow. Let's smell it. Mmm, it smells good. All right, guys. Leah, you're ready for to get slime, Leah. You're ready for this, Leah. She's ready to get slime.
I think Liza's gonna get.
Yeah, it is. Nazi, you're ready to get slime, Nazi. Nazi, Leah. It's that moment, y'all. It's that moment, y'all. We here, y'all. It's that moment. It's that moment we've all been waiting for. Are you ready? Are you ready to get slime? Oh my god, this is gonna be so fun. Leah. Let's see Leah. Let's see. It's about to go down.